The Favorites feature on Campendium is a great way to save a campground that you see in an email or as you're researching locations for later. You'll need to be logged in, and when you're on a campground page that you want to save, all you have to do is click the heart next to the campground name. Later, when you want to see your favorites, head over to your profile by clicking on your avatar on the top right corner of the screen and select Profile. On the profile page, you'll click on the word Favorites at the top of the screen. From here, you'll click on the state you want to see to load any pins that were saved in that state. The reason we did this is because some users have thousands of favorites, which can really slow down how fast a page loads. You can navigate to one of your favorite campgrounds by clicking on the link in the list or zooming in on the map and clicking a pin. If you run across a reviewer that seems to have similar tastes in camping that you do, you can see their favorites by clicking on their profile. Like your own profile page, you will need to select Favorites and then the state you are interested in seeing. Campendium supporters with Pro subscriptions can also see their favorites on the main search map. Let me show you how that works. On the right side of the map, click the Favorites heart. You can choose between showing just your favorites or see your favorites mixed in with the other results, but with a special heart pin so they stand out. Favorites are also available on the Campendium iPhone app, but we'll have to save that for another day. Hopefully you find this helpful. Happy favoriting!